So just one quick note here to watch out for what's known as imputation. So it can happen that when you get data sets, there could be certain data missing for some reason or other. Maybe in a particular year something happened and there was just no data for that year. So you've got to be careful and aware of that, and you've got to accommodate it accordingly. So imputation, also called imputing data, is the process of replacing missing or erroneous data with alternative values. Now, alternative values, you may choose to make all values 0 or something like that, I don't know, but you need to be careful as well, because there may be data in your data sets that is 0 and you want to include it. So one such imputation algorithm finds the average of all non-missing values and non-erroneous values and then replaces each missing value with the average. So that's one good way of dealing with it, but I just want you to be very aware of it, and if it comes up, make sure that you know how to deal with it or get my input or whatever.